Hello friends, this is Boniface Ndirangũ. This is today's session. We're going to look at vowels in Kikuyu. In our Let's Practice Kikuyu, Tujifunzeni Kikuyu, Nĩtwĩrutei Gĩkũyũ lesson. So today we're going to look at vowels in Kikuyu. So vowels in Kikuyu. All right. And in English we have A. We have we have 5 vowels, and it's the same thing in Kikuyu. We have 5, but in Kikuyu you also need to add 2 more. So these are the vowels. Have A. That's how you sound them. A, E, I, O, U, E, O. Okay, in some books you find it written like this. A will be just after E, so it is A, E, I, A, O, U, O. So don't get confused. Just another way of writing it. Just preference, not really a matter of how to arrange them. So for me, I don't use that. I'll use A, E, I, O, U, A, O. So let's forget this for now. Alright. The A sounds like A in mat. Yeah. Mat. A. Never changes. All these vowels, they never change. The way it sounds now, it will sound the same way 100 years to come. It was like that 100 years ago. So never changing. A. Yeah. Go to the next one is E. E as in fin. Yeah. A we said it's like hen. E like fin. Yeah. All right. O as in corn. Yes. So O never changes. None of these vowels ever change. After O we have U. 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 It's like the U input, the U input, but U. A, just like A in it. And then we have O. O, this one here, it's like the capital O or O in English, or O in whole. Alright, so just quickly let's run through them again. We have A, which sounds like A in mat. We have A, which sounds like A in hen. We have E, which sounds like E in fin. We have O, which sounds like O in corn. We have U, which sounds like O in put. We have A, which sounds like A in it. Then finally we have O, which sounds like O in whole. Good. Finally, we are going to look at vowel combinations today. Vowel combination or vowel combinations. Good. Going to look at double vowels. That is 2 vowels. And I'm going to quickly take us through a table of combinations where you take A and combine it with an A, then e. Then going down is e, but a and So the vowels are like this: I, ow, I, and ow. And have a, l, a, and l. Then you have ear, e, eo, and eo. Then you have oa, oe, oi, oo, oe, ua, ue, uo, ue, ea, ei, eo, eo, oa, oe, oi, oe, and oo. So those are the vowel combinations. Once again, you can always find this and more lessons in this website, kenyais.com, where we say Kenya is great. There are many things that you can learn about Kenya. We have Kenya being viable for investment. We have Kenya being diverse in culture. So if you want to learn Kikuyu, you can come to Kikuyu Heritage, have Swahili Heritage. I'm going to add even more of the heritage, or we're going to add more items here. So for now, we're working on Swahili and Kikuyu. Kenya is a beautiful country. Kenya is spiritual and religious. Kenya is healthy and fit. Yep, so you're going to come across all that. So you can always run to that website, learn more Kikuyu. My name again is Boniface Ndirangũ. Good. Or you can also find me here in italki.com. So now italki.com. Just look for a tutor by the name of Boniface for Kikuyu, and this is where you can book Skype lessons. So my Skype ID so you can book that. You can send me a text through this line, where we also have a WhatsApp group. So if you're interested, you can join. It's free. Yeah, so here is where we do practice with others. You can also find us. We have a page that we just began the other day, just called the same. So I think with all that you're covered. Thank you muno ni ndu guthoma nani na ihenya reke tugerere uria twathoma umuthi. Twathoma vowels cia Gikuyu na nicio a, e, i, o, u, e, o. A nĩ ta rĩtwa mat, e nĩ ta rĩtwa hen, i nĩ ta rĩtwa fin, o nĩ ta rĩtwa con, u nĩ ta rĩtwa put, e nĩ ta rĩtwa et, na o nĩ ta rĩtwa hole. Na harĩ ha iria inyitanĩte, ndemwa iria inyitanĩte nĩ ta a, ai, ao, au, ai, and au, ea, e, ei, eo, eu, e, and eu, ia, ie, i, io, iu, ie, io, oa, oe, oi, o, ou, oi, ou, ua, ue, ui, uo, ue, uo, ea, e, I, eo, eu, e, eu, and finally, na cia mwisho nĩ ua, ue, ui, o, oa, oe, oi, o, ou, oe, na o. So thengiũ mũno nĩ ũndũ wa gũthikĩrĩria. O rĩngĩ nĩ wega kũ like video ĩno, ku nĩ wega kuuga ũguo. Na ningĩ nĩ wega kuuga ũguo, nĩ wega gũ-comment, na ningĩ nĩ wega gũ-subscribe. Thengiũ mũno na ũgĩe na ihinda rĩega. Bye bye.